Have you ever dreamed of creating your own 3D animated videos? But then reality hits, the massive cost, the technical skills you think you need, or just the sheer amount of time it all takes. Well, get ready, because today we're breaking down a workflow that completely changes the game. We're going to walk through how you can create professional, absolutely stunning animated videos from scratch, easily, and you're not going to believe this, for free.
And look, we're not talking about some clunky, low-quality animation here. The goal is huge. We're aiming for Hollywood-level 3D videos that have all the charm, the style, and that visual polish you'd expect from a studio like Pixar. Seriously, that's the bar we're setting, and the tools we're going to cover are built to get you there.
And here's the part that sounds too good to be true, but isn't. All of this incredible creative power, it costs you nothing. Zero. You can generate these high-quality videos without spending a dime. And, this is crucial, without any of those annoying watermarks all over your final creation. It's all about putting the power directly into your hands.
All right, so where do we even begin? Well, every great film, every story that grabs you starts with the exact same thing, a script. This is the blueprint for everything that comes next. It's the foundation we're going to build our entire visual world on. This is the classic nightmare for any creator, right? You're just staring at that dreaded blank page, feeling that pressure to pull some brilliant idea out of thin air. It's a hurdle that stops so many amazing projects before they even get started. But what if we could just skip that part entirely? Well, say hello to your new creative co-pilot, ChatGPT. You don't even need a fully formed idea. Just give it a simple command, something like, give me a 100-word script for a 3D Pixar-style video, and boom, it'll spit out a story for you. Then you just follow up with, divide the script into 5 scenes. And just like that, your blueprint is done. Okay, so we've got our script. It's broken down into scenes. Now for the really fun part. It's time to bring those words to life. This is where we take our text blueprint and turn it into the actual visuals for our movie. Now, you might be thinking, oh great, now I have to become some kind of prompt writing genius to get the right image. But nope, we're all about working smarter, not harder. The very same AI that wrote your script can also write your image prompts. Just tell ChatGPT, hey, give me prompts to generate images for each scene in a 3D Pixar style. It does all the heavy lifting for you. Once you have those prompts, the process is incredibly simple. We're going to use a tool called Grok AI. You just log in, head over to the Imagine feature, paste the prompt for your first scene, pick your aspect ratio, and that's it. You let it do its magic. It's really just a simple copy and paste job. And this, right here, solves one of the biggest headaches with AI video generation, keeping things consistent. With this workflow, the characters you create will keep their look and style across every single scene. That gives your video a professional, cohesive feel that's absolutely essential for good storytelling. Okay, listen up, because this is a super important pro tip. When you're in Grok AI, ready to turn those images into video clips, you have to do one thing first. Go into the settings and turn off automatic video generation. Why? Because if you leave it on, the AI is going to start making its own creative choices. By turning it off, you're telling it to follow your specific prompts, which gives you full creative control over the final animation. So at this point, we've got a series of beautiful but silent video clips. They look great, yeah, but they're missing emotion. They're missing impact. It's time to add the most transformative element of all. It's time to give our video its soul. And that means professional audio. I absolutely love this quote because it just nails it. Without sound, all you've made is a silent movie. But with the right audio, you can turn it into a blockbuster. Sound is how you connect with your audience on an emotional level. It's what truly makes your visual world feel alive. So what's the secret sauce for great audio? It really boils down to these 3 things working together. First up, you've got music, which sets the entire mood and the emotional tone. Then you have the sound effects, the little details like wind blowing or footsteps that make the world feel real and immersive. And finally, the voiceover, which is what drives your story forward. So where in the world do you get all these high-quality audio bits and pieces? Well, the go-to, all-in-one tool for this job is Epidemic Sound. It's one single platform where you can find incredible music, sound effects, and even generate professional AI voiceovers. It streamlines your entire audio process. And the features here are just wow. You can use its AI to find the perfect music just by pasting in your scene's text prompt. The AI voices are amazingly human-like, not robotic at all, and you can control everything from the language to the tone.
For solo creators, the real game changer is the voice cloning. You can literally train it on your own voice. And maybe best of all, everything is cleared for use, so you never have to worry about copyright strikes on platforms like YouTube. Okay, we've gone through all the individual pieces of the puzzle. Now let's put it all together into one simple, powerful workflow that you can literally start using today. This is it. This is your entire creator cheat sheet boiled down to 3 simple steps. Step 1, use ChatGPT to generate your script and all of your visual prompts. Step 2, take those prompts over to Grok AI to create your consistent images and then animate them into video clips. And step 3, bring it all home into a video editor and use Epidemic Sound to build that perfect audio world with music, sound effects, and a voiceover. So there you have it. The workflow is clear, the tools are right there, and the creative potential is just limitless. All those technical barriers that used to stand in the way of telling beautiful animated stories, they're disappearing fast. So the only real question left is the one on your screen. Now that you've got the blueprint, what story will you bring to life?